guys, it's OJEST 2004 here, and today we're going to do another DVD opening, and this DVD is Cats and Dogs from 2001. Here's the front, spine, profile pictures of Mr. Tingles and Lou, and the back. Here's the disc, and Destiny is in their paws.
Don't talk, just listen.
DVD is a 180-degree visionary experience that will expand your horizons. DVD gives you choice. Movie, documentary, children's, sport, DVD gives you control. Special feature commentary, behind the scenes, extra. DVD gives you the big picture. 16:9 widescreen. DTS digital surround sound. You're not getting the whole story unless you're getting it on DVD. Roadshow Entertainment DVD. Entertainment out of the square.
Just like with 2 weeks' notice, why is the PG classification in a circle? So, you can choose from either cats or dogs. I'm gonna go with dogs, so let's do it.